anti-corruption court sitting at Kisii before Magistrate Nyariki, the former Speaker of the Kisii County Assembly, Honorable David Kombo, has taken a plea of not guilty to an abuse of office charge that was preferred by the prosecution as crafted by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Authority. Before the plea was taken, the defense objected, led by Advocate Ochoki, to the effect that the same matter was before this same court yesterday, where Mr. Mbaka, the co-accused to Honorable Kombo, was arraigned, and the court issued summons for Honorable Kombo to appear before the court to take plea on Monday 14th. The crimes as contained in the charge sheet for the particulars of crime was perpetrated way back in 2017 when David Kombo was serving as the Speaker of the Kisii County Assembly. The subject matter is employment of a particular person who was mentioned in the charge sheet, and the employment was done procedurally. The court, in its wisdom, has granted Honorable Kombo a bond of cash of 50,000, or in the alternative, 100 with a surety. The court has directed that the matter come up for pre-trial on the 14th, Monday, before court number 2 for further directions on how this matter will proceed and allocation to the specific court that will try this matter to its end. From the side of the defense, we are really at pains to explain that the EACC, after getting an order of summons for Mzee or Honorable Kombo to appear before court, went to Nairobi, where Mzee Kombo was in his residency, and arrested him, disregarding the orders that had been issued that he present himself. He be summoned and present himself in court on Monday 14th. The Constitution of Kenya 2010 never contemplated that human dignity should not be respected and protected. The incident, the act of the EACC disregarding the court order, proceeding to Nairobi, a baggage of more than 15 vehicles, more than 30 officers, entering the residency of Honorable Kombo to apprehend him, is an act that not only disregards orders of the court and also does not have any outer of respect for the provisions of the Constitution as provided for in the Bill of Rights. Just a call on institutions, as the Constitution contemplates that human dignity must be protected and must be given its space by the state, individuals, and institutions that are creation of the Constitution. Thank you. The arrest of the former speaker from where I stand or sit has a lot to be desired if it is indeed an effort to serve justice, because for one, the matter was before the same court yesterday, and it can be seen like there were the officers that executed the arrest of Honorable Kombo in Nairobi were under direct order from some quarters. Because in the normal circumstances, officers of or institutions of the government respect court orders and they do what is entailed. Now, secondly, the baggage of, as a defense counsel for Honorable Kombo, the media was in this, like there's somebody who gave an alert. The social media is awash with the proceedings of what has happened today, even before we ever knew that Kombo has been arrested. So I see that there is some, I can implicate some personalities or some people, but I cannot definitely say that this particular person is witch hunting Honorable Kombo.